Hi, it's a nice day, huh? Great season for camping out, but that is really hard for me. I can't do it every time. I will pass out. That way will take forever. I saw you want to go to camp today, yeah? A 12-volt pump like this is a car, but look how short the power short is. You need to carry your air mattresses as it inflates. And most importantly, you can never go to any real nice places with a car. A pump like this needs 4 diesel batteries. With that much more money, you can even take your girlfriend to the movies twice. So far, there are no perfect gadgets. Since 2013, we have invented several types of pumps, including the motors, the batteries, the fans, and aerodynamic technology. Finally, we got this. MaxPump is the smallest pump you can get for any air mattresses. It can pump up your small furniture in a snap. Just on one charge, you can get 20 Intex air mattresses, or 25 live ring, or 30 outdoor air mattresses. Also, beach balls. Of course, it can extract air too, like this. Man, you can even use it to find the fire for your barbecue. You can charge up your gadget for several ways. Your home internet, your portable charger, even computer. With the MaxPump, you can have it ready to go in just 1 minute. Yes, this is the MaxPump, small but powerful.